Did you have good sleep? We're all ready. We packed up the hotel. JJ's in his cute little overalls, and we're gonna go eat breakfast, and then we're gonna go to the other place that we're staying at.
It's mine! Akin yan! Akin yan! Akin na. Akin yan.
We have all the bags packed, and we're heading out.
We're going to our other house.
People in Florida drive worse than Marie.
Yeah, it's true. I'm pretty great at driving. Like in bumper cars, I'm like,
Wow. Well, the goal of actual driving is not to hit people, so.
Finally made it to the house. We'll show you around. Oh, look at this, Lourdes. Hey, make sure you guys be careful. I'm gonna challenge someone on this air hockey table. Currently, we're buying groceries for the house that we're staying at. I'm with my auntie. So far, this is all the groceries for the week. There's 11 of us in one house. Good morning again. So, I slept in the Star Wars room last night, and it's so freaking cool. I even have the coolest sheets. The lampshade is lightsabers. It was pretty awesome. Today we're gonna head out to one of the water parks. The kids had a hard time sleeping last night. They were just screaming and crying. I guess not used to this house yet. And there's like 5 different bedrooms, so the kids kind of had their own rooms, but I think they felt a little bit lonely. And then this green light looks like I'm like eating something. But today there's breakfast made. We're just waiting for them to wake up. So my auntie and I are in charge of breakfast duty for the time that we're here. And she woke up without me. She didn't wake me up, and she already cooked all the bacon. So I'm in charge of the eggs. And it's an unnecessarily huge pan for eggs because we couldn't find a smaller pan that's non-stick. And then we're Hawaiian, so we have to have our rice. It's a Hawaiian and an Asian thing, but they don't have a rice cooker here, so my auntie had to make do and make rice out of the pot. My auntie and my mom always keep asking who I'm talking to. Good morning, Joshua Joseph. Good morning, my handsome.
You put it on them.
What is that? Sleeves? It has sleeves.
It's a little jacket for babies when you feed them.
It truly is so beautiful back here. The backyard is like a forest. We're finally on our way to the water park. Are you excited? Yeah!
One more time. Sing. La 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 la.
We're here at Universal Studios, Orlando.
You primitive life forms are so easily entertained.
Pouring rain. I'm like soaked from my head to my feet. Jana had an umbrella so she's dry.
And then my feet are like squishy.
We're here at Epcot. What's Epcot? It's part of Disney World. We're going into the ride Living with the Land.
It's fun. It's
Living with the Land.